Hey everyone, welcome to this exciting journey where we dive into the incredible features of ManagePlus and explore how to manage tasks effortlessly. Now, let's get started. Click on Task Board to unlock a world of possibilities. At the top, you see the filters of tasks. From here, you can see the separated tasks. Added tasks on the team board. Here you can explore a list of discussion tasks. You can also explore the tasks saved in your personal draft list. To create a new task, simply click here. Now choose the content type that you want to create. Write the summary of your idea. Add the task due date. Perfect, you see, the task is created. Now you can add an assignee or other details. Click on the edit icon to add more details. At the top, there is a task grid. Click here and select the priority of the task. There is an option to select the collection, or we call it a campaign. You can click and select the social media platform where you are posting. Add a channel to continue. There is a guide to your selected platform, which helps post the right content format. Here you add descriptions, media, hashtags, etc. Click on chat to discuss with your team. Also review history, add resources, see the preview of the post, and also add references. When the task of writing is finished. Now click here to update the task. Click here and move to the next stage, following the same process as per the role responsibilities. To unleash the full power of ManagePlus and discover even more features, sign up now. We can't wait to welcome you on board. Until then, happy managing!